Imagine this: you're sitting in a cozy, quiet place where you can close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let yourself enter a world that you create. Picture the life you've always dreamed of, vividly, right down to the smallest details. This is your mental movie, a powerful law of attraction tool that uses the magic of visualization to help you draw your desires into reality. By the end of this journey, you'll not only understand how to create this mental movie for yourself, but will learn a secret technique from Neville Goddard that can amplify your manifestations even further. Stay with me, because it's one of the most transformative tools you can add to your life. Before dive into the video, I want to tell you something. Are you ready to bring more positivity, confidence, and peace into your life? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is designed to guide you on an incredible journey of self-transformation. Imagine waking up each day feeling motivated, confident, and filled with purpose. This ebook is here to help you make that vision a reality. Inside, you'll discover 30 days of powerful affirmations tailored to every area of your life, whether you're looking to boost joy, build confidence, attract abundance, or enhance inner peace. Each chapter offers guided meditations and visualizations to make your affirmation practice even more powerful and deeply transformative. The routines are simple and designed to fit easily into any schedule, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. Daily affirmations have the power to rewire your mind, helping you overcome limiting beliefs and boost self-confidence. Through this 30-day challenge, you'll notice real, lasting change. Each day, you'll be taking small, intentional steps toward becoming the best version of yourself. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Download Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 days and start embracing a more positive, empowered you. Make the change that you deserve. And for just $4.99, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life today. Get your copy today. We often hear about visualizing our dreams, but have you ever tried to create a whole movie in your mind, starring yourself as the main character, living the life you've always wanted? This isn't daydreaming, this is deliberate creation. Each moment of this movie holds incredible potential as you bring your desires to life by seeing, feeling, and fully experiencing them in your mind. Visualization isn't just about closing your eyes and hoping, it's about entering a world where what you want has already happened, and this practice can make all the difference in bringing it into your reality. So here's where we begin. First, think of a specific goal, a desire you've held onto, maybe even one that feels just a bit out of reach. Perhaps it's a financial breakthrough, a deeply fulfilling relationship, or a sense of peace and confidence in your life. Once you have that desire, it's time to craft your mental movie around it. In this movie, you are living that dream fully and completely. Don't hold back. Let yourself go there, experiencing every aspect of it in vibrant detail. Now, let's talk about the first part of creating this mental movie, setting the scene. Think of where you are. Are you in a new home? Sitting in a beautiful room that you've decorated exactly how you've always wanted? Maybe you're at a dream job, feeling fulfilled and inspired by the work you're doing. Picture the setting around you, the colors, the sounds, even the subtle scents. Bring every detail into focus. The more vivid the picture, the stronger your connection to it will be. Next, bring yourself into this movie. How do you look? What are you wearing? Imagine the expression on your face, your posture, and your energy. See yourself as this person who has already achieved the dream you're working toward. You are not just a spectator, you are the main character. Feel the confidence and happiness in every part of your being. Let this vision feel as real as possible, because that's where the magic happens. Now, it's time to add a key component: emotion. This is where your mental movie comes alive. Think about how you'd feel in this reality. Would there be joy, gratitude, relief, excitement? Let those feelings fill you up. Feel them in your heart, radiating out through your whole body. Emotion is the secret ingredient here, because it's what the universe responds to. When you combine the picture in your mind with the emotions of actually living it, you're sending a powerful signal that this reality is yours. As you keep this scene playing, let it feel natural. Picture it as a regular day in your life, no stress, no sense of trying to make it happen. You are already here. This is your life. Repeat this practice regularly, replaying the same mental movie over and over again. Each time, add a little more detail, a little more emotion. Let it become so familiar to you that it feels like a memory of something that has already happened. This is a powerful form of faith, one that aligns you completely with your desire. There's an important concept in the law of attraction that applies here, and it's called living in the end. Neville Goddard, one of the great teachers of manifestation, spoke often about this idea. Living in the end means that instead of focusing on the desire as something you want, you experience it as something you already have. You feel the joy and gratitude of having it without any doubt or hesitation. This is exactly what your mental movie allows you to do. It lets you live in the end. As you dive into this mental movie process, you might find that doubts or resistance come up. Thoughts like, is this really going to work? Or this feels unrealistic. When these thoughts arise, gently remind yourself that your job is not to figure out how it will happen. Your job is to create the vision, feel the emotions, and trust that the universe is aligning with your energy to make it a reality. Every time a doubt arises, take a deep breath and return to your vision. Keep replaying that mental movie until it feels natural and real. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you put out. When you consistently create this movie in your mind with full emotion and belief, you start to shift your reality. You'll notice subtle changes in your mindset, your behavior, and even the opportunities that come your way. Things that once seemed impossible may start to feel attainable. It's not just about imagining, it's about transforming from the inside out. This transformation is what attracts your desire to you. Here's a powerful story to illustrate this. There was a man named Daniel who struggled for years with his finances. He tried everything he could think of, but always ended up back where he started, feeling frustrated and stuck. Then he discovered the power of mental movies through Neville Goddard's teachings. Every night before he went to sleep, he'd close his eyes and play a mental movie of himself living in financial freedom. He saw himself paying bills without worry, taking care of his family, and even helping others. At first it felt a bit silly, but he kept doing it, focusing on the feeling of relief and gratitude. Over time, Daniel noticed changes in himself. He began to feel more confident and open to opportunities. One day, he received an unexpected job offer that completely changed his financial situation. It wasn't magic or luck, it was the result of consistently aligning with his desire through his mental movie. This is what I want for you. To see the power you hold within you to create real change, to live the life you dream of. But remember, there's one more step, one final secret to amplify your results, and it's something Neville Goddard himself shared with his students. At the end of your mental movie practice, after you've felt the emotions and immersed yourself in the vision, there's a final crucial step that can deepen your alignment and make your desire even more magnetic. This secret technique is called the Sabbath, a term Neville used to describe a state of complete rest and faith. After you've completed your mental movie, let go. Release all attachment to how or when it will happen. Trust that your desire is already yours, that the universe is already aligning things in your favor. Feel a sense of peace and calm, knowing that you don't have to chase or force anything. In this state of restful faith, your mind and energy align perfectly with your desire, allowing it to flow to you naturally. So now, as you begin your journey with the mental movie technique, remember this final step. Create your vision, feel it deeply, and then let it go. Trust that it's already on its way, and know that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring it to you. This is your power, your ability to create a life that aligns with your dreams. Keep replaying that movie, keep believing in the feeling, and let the universe handle the rest. If you found value in this journey today, I invite you to join our community by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with others who are ready to manifest their dreams. Together, we can create a life of limitless possibilities. And remember, stay tuned for more secrets from Neville Goddard that can elevate your manifestation practice.